Shandong Supermaly Generating Equipment Company Limited is a high-technology enterprise in Shandong Province. Our factory covers an area of 40,000 square meters. We professionally manufacture an extensive range of power products covering diesel generating sets, gas generating sets, marine generating sets, water pump sets, and so on. The power from 6 kilowatts to 2000 kilowatts. It is coupled by world-famous brand engines such as Perkins, Cummins, with world-famous brand alternator such as Stamford, Marathon, and Leroy Summer. Our production capacity is 6,000 sets per year. Our products have advantages of low noise, low vibration, easy start and reliable performance, which can be widely used in factories, mines, banks, hospitals, shipbuilding, telecommunications, oil production, high-rise buildings, field construction and other fields, or used as the standby power. The engine of our marine diesel generators were certified by China Classification Society, Chinese Fishing Boats Inspection Agency. Land using diesel generator sets are with certification of ISO 9001, 2008, CE and other international authoritative institutions and the quality system certification. Insisting on the strategy of market-oriented, develop continuously. Our company has been one of the main national exporters in China and exporting to more than 40 countries in Asia, Africa, Europe. We will offer better products to satisfy the demands of markets and customers. We warmly welcome your visiting and cooperation.